You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the perfect drink for your health. What if I told you the solution is as simple as your childhood favorite? First up, milk is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. But that's not all. Milk is also a great source of high-quality protein, helping to repair your muscles and keep you energized throughout the day. And for those of you watching your figure, milk has got you covered. It's a fantastic source of potassium, which can help manage blood pressure and keep your heart happy. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin B12, essential for brain health and maintaining a sharp mind. Feeling a bit under the weather? Grab a glass of milk. It's full of vitamins and minerals that can boost your immune system and keep those pesky colds at bay. So whether you're a fitness fanatic or just looking for a nutritious boost, milk is your go-to super drink. Pour yourself a glass and let the goodness flow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Cheers to your health!